Okay. What are you interested in? Studio or one bedroom?
One bedroom.
Okay. We have we have a one bedroom coming up. Market date's on the 16th of this month, so in a couple of days. I'm going to set the unit is 1,100 in rent and 554 square footage.
So I called 93 different communities today, and I'm going to explain to you why follow-up is so difficult for us as property management professionals. And I encourage you, if you're one of us, or you're thinking about being one of us and getting a career in property management, please consider subscribing to this channel and comment below with any feedback that you have, any questions that you have. I'm here for you. I read every single one of your comments, and the rest of the group is here for you. But I called 93 apartment communities today, and at the end, I'm going to put some snippets here so you can hear what I'm talking about. Spent a lot of time on hold. A lot of communities didn't answer the phone. That's a video for another day. But let's talk about why follow-up is so hard. Everybody that I talked to was bright, they were intelligent, they had a great attitude, they were cheerful, but every single one of them focused the conversations on them. And when you spend your time with the initial phone conversation with a prospect talking about you, how great you are, how great your community is, how great your amenities are, how great your floor plans are, how great your pricing is, when it comes time to follow up with that prospect, what can you follow up with them on? The only thing you have to talk about, because the only thing you did talk about was yourself. Hey, it's Matt calling from the great community with the great amenities and the great floor plans and the great pricing. Want to know why you didn't show up for your great tour? And I know a great guy like you would want to live at a great community just like this. Listen, you have all the best intentions in the world. You want to portray your community in the best possible light. But what you need to be doing when you speak with your residents is you need to be building rapport with them. You need to create a personal connection with them. Not one person out of 93 different properties that I called learned, where am I living now? They didn't ask me why I'm moving. They didn't ask me what I care about, what's important to me. They didn't ask me what I want to see first. They didn't ask me why I want to see that first. They didn't ask me where I worked. They didn't ask me what I do for fun. None of them learned anything personal about me, and I didn't feel a personal connection with a single one of them. When you can do that on the phone, your follow-up is going to be so much easier, because when you leave that voicemail for them or you make that call, you're able to tailor it to them and their wants and their needs and their hopes and their dreams and their hobbies, and the fact that you found a jiu-jitsu academy right next to the apartment community, and please call me back right away. If you can do this, and we teach this at Leasing University, so check us out over at leasinguniversity.com or call my office. I'm happy to fly out and work with you on this kind of stuff. I'm at 888-735-7451. But if you can do this, follow-up is going to become something that you enjoy doing. It's going to become easy. It's going to be simple. You're not going to dread it. But if you just spend your time only talking about you, your property, your amenities, and your price and your floor plans, it's no wonder why you don't want to follow up, because you've said everything you have to say already. Please listen to a few of these calls. I just put a few snippets in there, and comment your thoughts below. Check out the calls right now. If you're struggling to get leases, it's most likely not your location, it's not your amenities, and it's not your price. It's your sales training. If you've been made to sit through a boring class or unrealistic online training, and you're not getting the skills that you need to work with renters, to help you handle their objections, and to make sure you close the lease and rent the apartment, well, that ends today with Leasing University. Our simple, fun, and exciting step-by-step online training and live events will give you the skills and confidence that you need to lease 7 times more apartments. Earn your certified leasing consultant credential in less than 30 days with Leasing University. Simply click on the link to get started and head over to leasinguniversity.com now to start your training.
All right, what can I get for you?
2-bedroom.
All right, let's see. When did you want to move in?
By September 20th.
By September 20th. All right. Any preference on which floor, like you'd be on, or where you're facing, anything like that?
Higher floor would be better.
Higher floor. All right, let's see. How long of a lease term would you like?
Year. I'm flexible though.
All right, so in my cusp floor plan, that's 1,020 square feet. I do have one September 13th. That one is starting at $2,495, and that would be on the 3rd floor.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Check my Greenway floor plan as well. And my Greenway floor plan typically ranges from about 1,073 square feet up to about 1,134 square feet.
And that's the Greenway?
That's the Greenway. For that one, I kind of have a big jump. I have some available end of this month, and then I don't have anything until October 2nd.
Right.
Would either of those kind of work for you, or no?
Possibly. Possibly we could do that October 2nd.
Okay. That one is a top floor, and that's going to be available on October 2nd. It's going to be $2,490 per month.
Okay.
And let's see. And have you been to the property already?
No, I just looked at it online.
Gotcha. Did you want to come by and take a tour of the community and some vacant apartments?
Yeah, I can come by right now.
Hi, yeah, were you looking for a 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom?
2-bedroom.
2-bedroom, and when were you looking to move in?
No later than September 20th.
Okay, let me see. Were you looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, or 1-bath?
I'm flexible on the bathrooms.
Okay, let me see. No later than Let me see. So it looks like I have a couple at the end of September. Let me see. I'm sorry, the end of this month. I only have one in September. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's going for $1,479. That one's available on the 15th of next month.
Okay. Can I swing by right now?
Yeah, I can't show you the exact one or that floor plan because we don't have one available, but I can show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
No problem. I'll see you in like 10 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. And what's your first name?
It's Matt.
Matt? Okay,
Yep.
perfect. We'll see you soon.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Yep, bye.
This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. Please choose from the following options. Press 1 for leasing. Press 2 for resident services. Thank you for calling. To bypass this message at any time and leave a message, please press 0. We are
Because we
located
don't
at
want to talk to
8501
you.
East Allen
Ever.
Avenue. in
Don't
the
ever
beautiful
call us
Lowry
again.
Development Area. Our office hours are 10 to 6 Monday to Friday, 9 to 6
That's
Saturday,
now.
and noon to 5 on Sundays. Our fax number is 303.
Because everybody's faxing these days. Because we're just
3008.
faxing like crazy.
Press 1
Read
to
my
leave a message
fax.
for our leasing office. If this is a maintenance emergency, such as a flood,
Got a lot of floods.
you have reached the message center of 3004. To leave a voicemail, press 1. To deposit a fax message, press 2.
Deposit a fax.
Hello, the party you're trying to reach is currently unavailable. Please leave a message after the beep. When finished, you may press the pound key for more options. Thank you for calling.
Hello, this is George McFly. I had sent a fax. I had deposited it. And I don't know if you got my fax or not, but I needed an apartment. Goodbye. I'm calling about availability.
Yes, and I'd be more than happy to assist you with that. Are you looking for a 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom?
1-bedroom.
And when are you looking to move?
Before September 20th.
Before September 20th. Okay. Thank you. And how many occupants would be in the 1-bedroom?
Just myself.
And are you bringing any pets on your move?
Nope.
Thank you. And what price range are you looking at?
That's a good question. I'm just not sure what I should spend. But I think probably less than $1,500 if possible.
Okay. Great. Let me go ahead and bring up my availability. It'll be just one moment, Matt. Can I please place you on a brief hold?
Sure.
Thank you. One moment.
Why are we looking at availability? She should schedule the appointment, learn more about me before she even looks at her availability. And a great leasing professional should know their inventory without having to look. I'm sorry. You don't have that many units to memorize. You either have stuff available or you don't. Be my number 2. Me and number 1 are through.
Ma'am, my apologies about that wait.
No problem.
Just going over some of our units. And like the first one that I'm seeing here, it's going to be available September 30th. It's our 1-bedroom, 1-bath. This one's located on the first floor, 626 square feet. Right now, today, it's currently priced out $1,359. Have you viewed any of our models online at all?
I have.
Okay. Can I interest you in coming in for a property tour?
Sure, yeah. I can come down right now.
Thank you. Yeah, and what time do you think you'll be able to get here?
I can be there in about 35 minutes.
Okay. Okay, so like more towards 3?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, and which ones online were you looking at specifically? Because the one that I just quoted to you was the Aspen floor plan.
That sounds good. I can't remember the names of the different floor plans that I saw online.
Okay. Yeah, totally come in. We'd be more than happy to go ahead and show you around the community and answer any additional questions that you have.
Perfect. I'll see you in a little bit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Be seeing you soon.
All right,
Bye-bye.
bye.
How can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling about availability.
Okay, how can I help you?
I'm calling on availability for apartment.
Okay, what size apartment?
2-bedroom.
Okay, one moment, please. And when are you looking to move, sir?
By September 20th.
Okay, 1 second. Let me pull that. You said a 1-bedroom or 2?
2-bedroom.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
That's all right.
Okay, so for September 20th, the cheapest unit I have available would be $720. What's your price range?
That sounds like a good price, and that's the cheapest one you have?
That's the cheapest one. It's on the 3rd floor. I have one on the 2nd floor that's $721.
That sounds pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Great. Can I come down and take a look at it now?
Sure, as long as you get here before 5.
To speak with a live person, please press 3.
All right. Now, what brings you to
I'm looking for a 2-bedroom.
Okay. And how many people making the move with you?
Just myself.
there be any pets coming along?
No.
Okay, are they, when would you like to move in?
By September 20th.
Okay, is that the last day, or are you flexible?
Flexible.
And you said you were looking for a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom?
2-bedroom.
Okay. Now, is there any special features that you're looking in for your apartment?
No.
Okay. You don't have a preference on which floor or anything like that?
Higher floor would be a little bit better.
Alrighty. Now, a little bit about this property. We do have a swimming pool. We have a fireplace in all apartments, and we're just minutes from the light rail.
Perfect.
No problem. Let me see what I have available for a 2-bedroom. Okay. Ooh. Alright, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second while I'm trying to find the best one for you. Okay, so I have a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Let's see if it tells me what level this is on. No, it doesn't. Okay, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 850 square footage. And for 11 months, it's $1,365.
Okay, great. I can swing by right now.
And yeah, and it's available actually on the 20th, so that works out.
Okay, great. I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, thank you, Matt. Hope you have a nice day.
Thank
for
you.
calling.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for calling Glen Lake Apartments. Please leave a message and we will get back to you shortly. Thank you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey, it's Matt. I am so excited to move in, want to get an apartment, was hoping to swing by right now. Give me a call back. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number 1. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.